This is Daddy from Busy Daddy Cooks. Today we are making stir-fry, not-so-bitter melon with eggs.
My Busy Daddy Cooks.
This is a classic Chinese dish. Bitter gourd is said to be very nutritious and has medicinal benefits. But there are those who do not like the bitterness. So, in this video, I'll show you how to get rid of most of the bitter taste. I have here a bitter melon. I only need half of it. Cut it in half lengthwise and scrape out all the seeds. Try to get rid of as much of the white pulp as you can. This is one of the source of bitterness. Then, cut it into half cm slices. Soak it in warm water with a teaspoon of salt for 20 to 30 minutes. Meanwhile, beat up 4 eggs with 4 tablespoons of water. The water will give your eggs a smoother, creamier texture. After 20 to 30 minutes, give the bitter gourd a good squeeze to remove more of the bitterness. Rinse and wash off the salt and bitter flavor. Now, in a hot pan, fry 1 clove of garlic and 3 slices of ginger till it's fragrant. Add the bitter gourd and stir fry till it's tender. You may notice that the bitter gourd will turn a darker shade of green. Season with half a teaspoon of salt and half a teaspoon of sugar, a dash of pepper, a tablespoon of soy sauce, and a splash of Chinese cooking wine. Pour in the beaten eggs and give it a quick stir. Timing is important here. When the eggs are half cooked and still runny, turn off the heat and remove the dish to a serving plate. The residual heat will continue to cook and firm up the eggs. If you stir fry the eggs till they are cooked before removing them, you'll end up with hard and dry eggs. Stir fry not so bitter melon with eggs.
Please like, share and subscribe to my daddy's channel for more interesting videos.